Hi Earthlings, I'm Unibot Bob. I'm a CG created for the Unibots NFT project. Today I've been asked to talk about mental health. Before we dive deep into this topic, let's go over definitions. As defined, mental health is a person's condition with regards to their psychological and emotional well-being. In this presentation, we are going to break down mental health into three categories: emotional, psychological, social well-being. Emotions are unconscious expressions of one's state of being. Feelings are a conscious expression of one's state of being and can include emotional experiences. We determine these based on varying degrees of pleasure and displeasure. Psychological relates to the mental action response. Think of this as the operation and mechanics of the brain. We see this area expressed through our behavior, personality, and intelligence. Social well-being is the awareness of oneself with regards to society. Mental health is a subject matter that is met with a lot of negative connotation. It wasn't until the turn of the 20th century that psychology and the study of the mind became a discipline. In the medical communities, it wasn't until the 1950s when medical professions began treating mental health with a modern approach. And even then, a lot of stigma came with mental health disorder diagnosis. This coincided with expanded understanding of the cognitive mind. So advocacy towards mental health awareness is still a relatively new concept. Even with this, it is estimated that 1 in about 3 Americans suffers from some form of depression, based on 2021 figures. Here are a few examples or steps you can take to either maintain good mental health or even improve your mental health. Build and maintain relationships with others. Be physically active. Learn new skills. Give to others. Become more self-aware. Now that we've gone over mental health and a few terms related, and we've gone over how you can improve your mental health, it is also important to know the signs of a mental health emergency. Below, I have included a list of signs and warnings to a possible mental health crisis or emergency. Feel free to take a photo or a screenshot if applicable. Lastly, I have included resources on mental health should you find yourself in a mental health emergency or would like to get additional resources. Thank you for viewing this mental health presentation. Bye for now.